course you like to try these delicious, healthy crepes that are so easy to make with only a few ingredients. Let me show you how. Hi, I'm Joann. I'm a certified raw vegan chef and I've been home cooking since 2010. If you're looking for healthy tips and recipes to get you to your best health yet, you're in the right place. So please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any future tips and recipes. These raw vegan banana crepes are a family favorite and they're filled with a delicious macadamia cream. I've been making them for years and the family just gobbles them up every time I make them. So let's get started. It's best to use very ripe bananas for extra sweetness for the crepes. You'll need 4 bananas, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/8 teaspoon cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon vanilla, but that's optional. Place all ingredients into a food processor. See the description for the full recipe. Process until you have a smooth batter. You may have to scrape the sides. You can do the crepes the night before or first thing in the morning. Don't forget to download our free 5-day meal plan in the description below. Spoon the batter onto non-stick baking sheets on top of the dehydrator trays. Make the disc about 6 inches in diameter. If you don't have a dehydrator, you can use your oven at its lowest setting. Some convection ovens have a dehydrator setting. Dry at 110 degrees for 6 to 10 hours until they are dry yet pliable. Gently peel each crepe off the non-stick sheets. If you aren't ready to make them, store them in the refrigerator with parchment paper between each crepe. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button, it'll sure help us out. For the macadamia cream sauce, drain and rinse the macadamia nuts. Since they do not have enzyme inhibitors, you only need to soak them for about 30 minutes for a smoother cream. You'll need 1 cup raw macadamia nuts, 1/4 cup water, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Use your favorite liquid sweetener. Some raw fooders still use maple syrup even though it's not raw, but you can use raw agave nectar, date nectar, or stevia. Put all the ingredients into a high-speed blender or food processor. Add in your sweetener of choice. We use about 2 tablespoons of agave nectar. Blend on high until it's smooth and creamy. Add a tablespoon of water at a time if needed to thin the cream. You may need to use the tamper. Be careful not to run it too long or it will heat the cream and kill the enzymes. Be sure to stick around to the end to find out what you can do with the extra macadamia cream sauce. Lay a crepe on a plate and spoon cream down the middle. Add strawberries, blackberries, or blueberries on top. Fold each side on top of the berries. The crepe should be sticky enough to hold together. Don't these look delicious? Feel free to double the cream recipe and use extra for fruit dip. What dessert would you like us to remake in a healthy way? Let us know in the comments below. Or you can drizzle the leftover macadamia cream sauce onto berries, peaches, nectarines, or any fruit. It's amazing. Remember, you can have your comfort foods, but just in a healthy way. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. And watch these videos around me for more tips and recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.